Hey friends, if you wish to use system configuration tool on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and then go to system configuration. Now we have five tabs here. The first one is the general tab in which you can select the type of startup. The next one is the boot tab and it is very helpful for creating safe mode and the various options in safe mode like the one with networking and the one without networking and sorting boot login information. You can also manage the services at the startup itself and you can manage startup apps. Basically, it will simply lead you to the task manager for startup apps. And finally, you have a few tools in which you can access main system tools like computer management, UAC, etc. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.